Yeah.
Now it's time for chicken.
Yes, now it's time for chicken. Stir. And then when the chicken white, pickle radish in. Pickle radish in. You can do it now. Because we're going to continue cooking here.
Exactly. Hey, your pata looks...
Yeah, it looks amazing.
And now you put on the side here.
a nice way, huh?
Nice.
It has to be very... Wow. That was
Okay,
actually
the
easy,
peanut
huh?
that you crush, sprinkle on top.
Okay.
Well, I'm a bit jealous. I think this is very yummy. Can I try some?
You can. No, I'll try it. I'll some and some. And you can
Nice.
some. So this chili you can sprinkle on top later.
Wow.
And I know that
Hast du das
you.
Video gemacht?
Immer wieder, aber nicht das ganze Werk.
I know you don't do, but you can add extra sugar in case you want more sweet. But in Thai way, when we eat pad Thai, we like the crunch of sugar on top. You're gonna taste it now? Okay. Try it. See
You
what
wanna
it
taste
is.
now?
Yeah.
Or you can taste that and squeeze a bit of lime and have
Lime,
some
yeah.
more. Yeah.
Wait, I'll take a video of you.
Squeeze
This
the
is our
lime.
first dish.
The first pad Thai.
Ready?
Yes.